If you're a BCom, BBA, CA or MBA student and you dream of working in JPMorgan as a fresher, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to give you a clear step-by-step roadmap, what skills you need, how to build your resume, how to get referrals, and how to clear interview rounds. Make sure to watch till the end because I've also shared how I would prepare if I had 60 days. JPMorgan Chase is one of the largest investment banks in the world. In India, it hires freshers mainly for banking, corporate, support, and other back-end investment banking functions. The competition is very high, but with the right preparation, it is achievable. Step 1. Choose the right entry path. There are 3 ways to get into JPMorgan. First, campus placements. Second, internship to full-time conversion. Third, off-campus applications with referrals. If your college does not have campus placements, then networking and referrals become extremely important. Step 2. Skills which you must have. For finance roles, your fundamentals should be very strong. You should be very comfortable with financial statements like balance sheet, profit and loss, cash flow statement, ratio analysis, Excel skills like pivot tables, VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, basic valuation concept, understanding of financial markets and current events. If your fundamentals are weak, clearing the technical round will be very difficult. Step 3. Resume strategy. This is the place where most of the freshers get rejected. Your resume should be strictly one page. Include internship or articleship experience. Show measurable achievements. Not just achievements, it should be measurable. Avoid generic words like hardworking, team player. It's all gone. That was all happening in the back old days, but not now. See, instead of writing I have good finance knowledge, you reframe it. This is how you write. I assisted in preparing financial reports for so and so companies, and I did ratio analysis for 8+ clients during my internship. Like this, specific results will make you stand out instead of generic. Step 4. Referral strategy. Let's be practical. Getting shortlisted without referral can be tough. Here's what you should do. Optimize your LinkedIn profile. Connect with the employees who are already working at JPMorgan Chase. Send a short, respectful message. Ask for their guidance and if they're open to refer you. Not everyone will be able to refer because it involves credibility as well, that they cannot just randomly refer anyone. So show your skills, show how you're fit for that job. So that might build some trust and they can refer you. Try to build that professional relation. Step 5. Interview rounds. See, here the interview varies for people to people and role to role. For example, I had only one interview, so I was just selected after that, and few people typically undergo 2 to 3 rounds of interview. So the process is online assessment, which is optional, not for everyone. Online assessment, that is aptitude and basic finance. Second is technical interview, and third is HR or behavioral interview. In technical round, expect financial statement questions, ratio analysis questions, market awareness questions, situation-based questions. Basically, your technical knowledge will be tested here. In HR round, why JPMorgan? Why do you want to join JPMorgan? I have shared the answers with so many of you, and the people who are new here, in case you want to know, do comment below and I will share the answer with you. Why do you want to join JPMorgan? Why should we hire you? And there are so many HR questions. They evaluate your thought, your way of thinking, your problem solving ability, and not just the textbook answers. So HR interview matters more. So these were the 5 steps which I have explained very shortly so that your time is saved. Now, if I had 60 days to prepare, this is what a fresher has to do. Now, 1 to 20 days. Take these 20 days to strengthen your financial knowledge, your Excel skills, basically get prepared for the technical round here. Then 21 to 40 days. Another 20 days, apply for internships, or in case you have done already the internships, it's very good. Then optimize your LinkedIn profile, start networking, build relations. Next, day 41 to 50. 10 days, practice mock interviews and search as to which question can be asked. Check out the previous experience of people who are already working there. Day 51 to 60, apply. Apply strategically with referrals for the roles which you feel are aligned to your goals. Getting into JPMorgan Chase as a fresher is not impossible. It is very tough, but it is possible. Your college background does not decide your future. Your preparation does. You can be from a very small college, small city, but you can still land in JPMorgan Chase. If you're serious about a finance career in top MNCs, then start preparing today, not after your graduation. If this video helped you, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Comment below in case you want to know anything specific about JPMorgan Chase, the salary structure, or the facilities provided to the employees, or it can be anything. I have already posted videos about my JPMorgan interview experience, what were the HR questions asked, and respective answers for them as well. Share this video with someone who is planning to land in JPMorgan Chase, because I know it is a dream company for so many people. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching.